Hey everybody out there in YouTube land. For all of y'all that want to watch this or have watched me, this little video is going to be a little quick one, and I wanted to ask and kind of get your opinion. Some people tell me that's not a good thing, but I kind of don't really know what I want to do, and I could really make some people mad doing this, but let me show you my dilemma. You guys remember the Thunderbird, the 65 Thunderbird that I got, that I was trying to save? Well, I got it to run for a very short period of time, but I couldn't keep it running. So when the weather got real cold, I said, well, I'm going to pour some antifreeze in this thing to make sure that it doesn't crack a block. So I poured the antifreeze in. I said, well, I'm going to turn the motor over to try and get the water pump, hopefully, to, just get it through the motor so I'd be safe. Well, in doing that, I discovered something. And let me show you what I discovered. If you look right here, as I turn this thing over, I'm not really sure if you could see the suction and expansion of that glove, which means it's got a blown head gasket. Or it could have a cracked block. I don't know. I think it's a blown head gasket. So now I'm at a dilemma. What do I do? Do I pull the heads off of this thing and see if I can just put a head gasket on it, rebuild the carburetor, put the fuel pump on it, get it to crank and run? I don't know. And it's either that or it's yank that motor and transmission out, come in here, and as you can tell, this thing is in pretty rough shape. Seats, all the padding's gone out of the seats. It's pretty eat up. So do I try and get it running with the 390 that's in it? Do I make a lot of people mad and go find an LS and the transmission, which I got a buddy with the wrecking yard that can probably provide me with one like he did for my 56 rat rod? And I know that's going to make a lot of people mad, but if I rat rod it, I can get an LS overdrive, stick in it. I think I could take these seats out and build some bomber style seats to fit in, rebuild the console out of metal, and I don't know, kind of rat rot it out, or I can sell it like it is. I don't really know what to do right at this moment. I know all you Ford guys are going to tell me to pull them heads off, pull the intake and the heads off, put new head gaskets on it, crank this thing up and get it running. That's a thought. That's a high possibility. But I really don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do exactly, and that's where I'm at. So I guess what I'm asking is, make a few comments. Tell me what you think. Intake and heads come off. Motor and transmission come out. LS and another 4L60 go in. Rat rod it. Or get this motor running and maybe try and fix it up a little bit, see if I can move it on down the road. So hey, put me a comment out there, let me know. So till next time, bye.